In this video, we will discuss a 5-minute scalping strategy that is very easy to use and highly profitable. This 5-minute scalping strategy will only utilize 2 indicators that you can use for free on TradingView. Furthermore, besides being applicable to 5-minute scalping, this strategy can also be used for Forex, crypto, and other assets. Therefore, make sure you stay tuned until the end of this video, and don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. Adding indicators. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type SSL Hybrid. Select SSL Hybrid from Mickle. In the SSL Hybrid indicator settings, in the Input tab, remove the checkmark on Show ATR Band. Change the SSL1 baseline type to McGinley and set the SSL1 baseline number to 200. In the Style tab, remove all the checkmarks and leave only the MA baseline. Click OK to confirm the changes. The McGinley Moving Average will be used as a trend guide in the market. Adding another indicator, go to the Indicator Search tab and type MA Ribbon R2. Select MA Ribbon R2 from Just Uncle. In the settings of the MA Ribbon R2 indicator, in the Input tab, change the fast EMA length to 10 and the slow EMA length to 50. Click OK to confirm the changes. The MA Ribbon R2 indicator will be used as a guide for placing orders in the market. Buy order. If the SSL Hybrid is blue and the candlestick is above the SSL Hybrid, it's a bullish trend signal. Wait for the MA Ribbon cloud to change from red to green. Once the MA Ribbon cloud has changed from red to green, ensure that the formed candlestick is bullish. If all conditions are met, place a buy order after the bullish candlestick is closed. Place a stop loss at the last swing low. Target the take profit using a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Sell order. If the SSL Hybrid is red and the candlestick is below the SSL Hybrid, it's a bearish trend signal. Wait for the MA Ribbon cloud to change from green to red. Once the MA Ribbon cloud has changed from green to red, ensure that the formed candlestick is bearish. If all conditions are met, place a sell order after the bearish candlestick is closed. Place a stop loss at the last swing high. Target the take profit using a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5.